Welcome to our roundup of the best wall-mounted range hoods, essential kitchen ventilation systems designed to remove smoke, grease, odors, and excess heat while creating a cleaner and more comfortable cooking environment. Whether you're preparing quick everyday meals, frying foods, or handling heavy cooking sessions, a reliable wall-mounted range hood can make a huge difference in maintaining kitchen air quality and reducing lingering odors. Modern wall-mounted range hoods come with powerful airflow systems, multiple fan speeds, LED lighting, stainless steel construction, and advanced filtration systems for better ventilation performance. Many models also include touch controls, gesture sensing, quiet operation, and ductless compatibility for added convenience and flexibility. Choosing the right wall-mounted range hood can improve kitchen cleanliness, enhance ventilation efficiency, and upgrade the overall appearance of your cooking space. Let's take a closer look at some of the best wall-mounted range hoods available right now. Starting with the Ferrega's Black Wall Mount Range Hood. This model is a great option for users looking for stylish design, practical ventilation performance, and affordable everyday kitchen functionality. It typically features a sleek black finish combined with stainless steel accents that help create a modern appearance in contemporary kitchens. The airflow system is designed to remove smoke, steam, and cooking odors effectively during regular cooking sessions. Many versions include push-button or touch controls, LED lighting, and removable grease filters for easier cleaning and maintenance. Its wall-mounted design helps save cabinet space while improving kitchen ventilation coverage. Additionally, it delivers reliable airflow performance and consistent odor reduction during daily use. It also improves kitchen appearance, enhances convenience, and supports compact modern kitchen setups. Next up is the Rapsoir Wall Mount Range Hood, a versatile and dependable option designed for stronger airflow performance, modern styling, and efficient kitchen ventilation across different cooking environments. This model typically features a high-powered motor system that helps remove grease, smoke, and airborne particles more effectively during heavier cooking tasks. The stainless steel construction improves durability while maintaining a premium and professional kitchen appearance. Many versions include adjustable fan speeds, touch-sensitive controls, and bright LED lighting that improve usability and cooking visibility. Its modern chimney-style design adds a stylish and contemporary look to the kitchen area. Additionally, it provides stable ventilation performance and consistent airflow management during everyday use. It also improves air circulation, enhances cooking comfort, and supports cleaner kitchen environments. Moving on to the Impava Wall Mount Range Hood. This model is known for its balanced combination of ventilation power, premium design, and dependable long-term performance for modern kitchens. It typically features strong airflow capability that efficiently removes smoke and odors generated during high-heat cooking and frying applications. Many versions include tempered glass elements, touch control systems, and dishwasher-safe filters for added convenience and easier maintenance. The advanced airflow system helps maintain cleaner kitchen air while reducing grease buildup around the cooking area. Its durable construction and sleek appearance make it suitable for both contemporary and professional-style kitchens. Additionally, it delivers efficient ventilation performance and reliable operation during frequent cooking use. It also enhances odor control, improves kitchen cleanliness, and supports more demanding cooking applications. Stepping up in performance, the Vicchio Home Wall Mount Range Hood offers a strong balance of advanced ventilation capability, premium construction, and modern smart functionality for larger kitchen spaces. This model typically features a high CFM motor system capable of handling smoke, steam, and cooking odors more efficiently during demanding cooking sessions. The multi-speed fan controls allow users to adjust airflow intensity depending on cooking needs and kitchen conditions. Many versions include touch controls, gesture sensing technology, digital displays, and energy-efficient LED lighting for improved convenience and functionality. Its stainless steel body and chimney-style structure provide a professional appearance while improving long-term durability. Additionally, it delivers powerful airflow performance and stable ventilation efficiency during extended use. It also improves smoke extraction, enhances user control, and supports larger kitchen setups effectively. Taking the top spot is the Hermitlux Wall Mount Range Hood, a highly advanced and feature-rich option designed for maximum airflow performance, stylish kitchen integration, and professional-grade ventilation capability. This model typically features a powerful motor system combined with advanced filtration technology that helps remove smoke, grease, and strong cooking odors quickly and efficiently. Many versions include multiple fan speeds, touch-sensitive controls, tempered glass styling, and quiet operation systems that improve the overall cooking experience. The advanced LED lighting system improves visibility around the cooktop while maintaining energy efficiency. Its premium wall-mounted design helps create a sleek and modern kitchen appearance while delivering strong ventilation coverage. The durable construction and efficient airflow system make it suitable for both daily cooking and heavier kitchen use. Additionally, it delivers fast and effective ventilation performance with consistent airflow control. All of these wall-mounted range hoods serve different needs depending on airflow capacity, design, and kitchen setup. The Ferregas model offers stylish affordability and practical everyday ventilation. The Rapsoir model provides balanced airflow performance with modern design. The Impava model delivers dependable power and premium kitchen aesthetics. The Vicchio Home model offers stronger ventilation capability with advanced smart features. And the Hermitlux model stands out as the most advanced and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best wall-mounted range hoods. From compact modern ventilation systems to advanced high-performance models designed for maximum airflow and kitchen comfort. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, improving air quality, or creating a cleaner and fresher cooking environment, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which range hood you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy cleaner, fresher cooking with the right wall-mounted range hood.